Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix invalid PayPal errors on PS5. If you're unable to add PayPal as a payment method or you see messages like your card could not be updated or other payment errors, the issue is usually related to your account security, payment details, regional settings, or PlayStation services. Here are the most effective ways to fix it. Now let's get started. First, if you receive a message saying your payment information has been updated too many times, stop trying to add your PayPal account. Now wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Keep in mind that every failed attempt during the waiting period restarts the 24-hour security block. If you need to make a purchase during this time, use another payment method or redeem a PlayStation Store Wallet top-up code. Next, make sure online payments are enabled for the debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. If online payments are disabled by your bank, PlayStation may not accept your PayPal payment. Now check the PlayStation Network service status page. If PlayStation services are experiencing issues, wait until all services are working normally before trying again. After that, confirm that your payment card and PayPal account are supported by the PlayStation Store, then carefully review all your payment details. Make sure your name, address, and billing information match exactly with your bank and PayPal account. If your name or address contains special characters, replace them with standard English letters and remove symbols such as hyphens, apostrophes, slashes, or asterisks. Now check that your PayPal account and your PlayStation Store account are registered in the same country or region. If they are in different regions, PlayStation may not allow you to add the payment method. Finally, if the problem still isn't fixed, contact your bank, card provider, or PayPal support to confirm that your payment method is active, has available funds, and hasn't been blocked for online purchases. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.